If you want your TCL Google TV to automatically switch to your HDMI device, such as your TV box like Apple TV, Xbox or PS5 console, when you turn the TV on, then stay tuned and I'll show you how to set default Power on HDMI Input device on your TCL Smart TV. By default, when you turn on your TCL Smart TV, it will open the Google TV home screen. But we want our TV to open our desired HDMI device. For that, open Settings, go to System, then from the list, select Power and Energy. Then go to Power and Behavior, and from Google TV home screen, you need to switch it to Last Use Input. After that, just switch to your input. And now when you turn off your TV and turn it back on, your TV will boot up into Last Use Input, which in our case is our Apple TV. So now you won't need to grab your TV remote to switch to it manually. So that's how you can set a default Power on Input device on your TCL Google TV. Hope this was helpful. See you later.